What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on hype, because you can see after the last analysis we actually took liquidity in this bullish order block area, then we had here pretty great pump, and right now we are visiting even lower levels. So in this video I will show you the exact trading setup you can actually take here if certain conditions are met, plus I will tell you about my last trade that I actually took on this coin. So if you are interested, definitely watch this video till the end. Right now let's start today on a 12-hour chart. This bullish order block is between levels 57.2 and 52.72, and if you saw my previous analysis, you know that actually I was waiting here for a retest of this bullish order block, and exactly here I took a long position with a stop loss under this bullish order block. After we took this area, we actually had here pretty nice pump from the entry. It was a profit around like almost 6% of a net market. And another thing, after this pump, because the whole market is just dumping, of course, this coin went to even lower levels. If you know my videos and you know how I'm managing positions, you know that after TP1, I'm moving my stop loss. So my TP1 was above this previous important highs. So once we took here a liquidity, I took some of the profits. And because after TP1, I'm moving my stop loss, so I'm risking what I made on TP1, this trade end up on break even. So my stop loss is no more under this bullish order block, but I basically closed the whole position because like after this 6% move, I've moved my stop loss somewhere around here, and because we went under, right now I have no open position on this coin. And of course we can see here a huge pump from like this bullish order block without like retesting a lower levels, but of course this is normal part of trading, and in the long run this is the exact way how I am actually managing trading positions. My previous trade on this coin was on the other hand much better. I think I took it somewhere around like $40 mark, somewhere around here, and we traded this whole pump up, but this last trade ended on break even. Let's now take a look on the exact trading setup that I'm planning to take if certain conditions are met right now. You can see we are having here this bullish order block, and if there will be a liquidity grab under with a pullback and then a support confirmation, I want to take here a long position. If you, for example, want to know about all the coins that I'm currently watching, definitely don't forget to join my Discord training group where I am sharing these types of setups every single day. So if you want to join, you can join for completely free, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Just keep in mind there are a lot of scam accounts that are pretending to be me, so if you will ever receive a message or a friend request from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind it's a scam. Also, right now there is a special 10% deposit bonus event on Blofin exchange. Just keep in mind this this future bonus that you can get is kept to $1,000. So if you want to take advantage of this, use my referral, but do not deposit more than 10k, because it's like a 10% deposit bonus. You will get maximum $1,000 like dollars for trading, so max deposit like 10k. I think that's understandable. The complete information about this you can find in the exchange section in my Discord, so definitely if you don't have account on Blofin, just take advantage of this. So right now, as I said, I'm waiting here for a liquidity grab, pullback, support confirmation. Stop loss, in this case you want to place under the low that we will actually create during the fake out, so I assume stop loss will be around 7% of a net market, something like that. And last take profit targets, I will be actually placing under $100, which actually was my main take profit target also from like this bullish order block. So the whole idea behind this trade was that we are gonna take liquidity under all of these previous important lows, and then we are gonna have here a pump up. And in my opinion, actually this setup was really great, but the whole market, as you can see, dumped, so that's why this trade ended up on like a break even. But as I said, this is normal, like part of trading. So main target is around 82% of a net market in profit, stop loss around 7, which is going to give us risk reward ratio up to 11.5. Definitely in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets. So first profits you want to take under this bearish order block, under this second, under this third bearish order block, under this previous important highs around, for example, $90 mark, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be more like 7, 8, something like that, which is in my opinion really great potential trading setup. So to summarize it, the main setup I'm currently watching on hype will be valid if we are gonna take liquidity under this bullish order block, so under this previous important low. There will be pullback, support confirmation. Support confirmation means it's at least like 2 12-hour candles will close in this range. Then you are gonna place your stop loss under this low that we will create during the fake out. I think this is understandable. And if you don't want to watch these charts on your own, you can join my Discord group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. About the long-term price prediction, because as you can can see, in the long run, I am kind of bullish on hype. I actually have a long-term spot position that I took on $38. So this position is still in pretty nice profit. But first profits I'm planning to take once we are gonna hit like $150 mark, and the whole position on spot, of course, I'm planning to close if we are gonna hit, I'm not exactly sure, but something between $300 to like $400. I am really like positive about this coin fundamentally. This is actually one of the few projects that I'm holding in my like long-term spot portfolio. So if we are gonna like hit $150, which I think there's pretty high probability, so right now we are starting to have like pretty great potential long opportunity, but I will get to this later in this video. But first profits I want to take around $150 mark, and then I simply want to take some profits on the way up. So really great potential profit. I'm not exactly sure if the current price is like a good buying opportunity to like a long-term spot portfolio. I would at least wait here again for like a liquidity grab under this bullish order block, or if there will be a bigger dump, and I will be probably using this even myself, if we are gonna like retest these lower order blocks, so everything around like $40 mark, I am planning to use as a long entry as well. So if we are gonna get to like these lower prices, I will be again heavily buying this coin to my like long-term spot portfolio, because I really believe this is one of the best altcoins you can hold. Of course, this is not as good as Bitcoin, so Bitcoin is still forming like 60% of my like long-term spot portfolio. This coin I think is currently forming like 5%, so you can see Bitcoin for me is still much better. But if we are gonna visit these lower levels, this is area that I want to use as a potential long entry. If you are interested about some trading setups on even lower time frame, then on like a 4-hour chart, if we are gonna like, there will be a huge jump and we are gonna visit like this bullish order block area, so there will be like a reach of the level 48.5, then this is another potential long entry. Like entry you will have around this bullish order block, stop loss under the second bullish order block, so stop loss around 8%, and this is the same scenario, last take profit target under $100. So if there won't be this like liquidating web with a pullback and then a support confirmation, but we will go retest even lower levels, this is another trade that you can take. And if we are gonna retest it, I kinda like this setup, because if we are like gonna retest this bullish order block, it will also mean that we are gonna take liquidity under all of these previous important lows, and based on the liquidation heat map, we are having here some liquidations. So this is another thing that you can take advantage of. So hey guys, these were all the main setups that I'm currently watching. So to summarize, that main setup I'm currently watching is liquidity grab with a pullback support confirmation of this bullish order block. So I'm waiting for something like this. On a 4-hour chart, I am waiting if like this is not gonna happen, there will be resistance confirmation and we will go on like lower levels. Then with a limit order you can speculate on something like this, and on weekly / like daily time frame to like a long-term spot portfolio, I will be buying around like $41 again. And of course, if we will go lower, I will be buying more, because as I said, I like this coin fundamentally. So the lower the price gets, if there won't be any, of course, fundamental change, I will be buying more, because the potential on like, because the long upside here is, in my opinion, really great. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to know about all the coins that I'm watching, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. Just be aware of scammers, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.